How to install the FET benchmark. Just download the executable and the benchmark FET file. Double-click on the executable to uncompress the files. Now you have got a FET folder. Start the FET executable. Go to File, Open and open the benchmark FET file. Then go to Timetable, Generate Multiple. Keep the limit and the number of timetables. Set the number of threads to 1 and start generating. Of course, generating needs some time, but this is a slow old computer. After some time, a timetable is generated and you will see the needed time and also the tables per minute value. Please let this test run several times until you got at least 3 times the tables per minute value. If the value didn't change too much, just report the last value. If the values are different, please let it run some more times. The last value is always the average of the rule benchmark. For the multi-threading benchmark, please increase the number of threads to the highest possible number and start again. I've reduced the value on my computer because I'm recording at the same time. That's also why my time values are different sometimes. Please let this benchmark run also at least 3 times and report the last value. Let me know your score. I will put a link to the benchmark in the video description. That's it for today. Have a nice day.